Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name Iron Man.
Hello, and how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What's your hobbies?
My hobby is swim.
Okay, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite, my favorite subject is math
Why?
because I want to be a math teacher.
Oh, very good. When is your birthday?
It's in January.
And what do you want to drink?
I want some juice and water.
What do you want to eat?
I want some rice and chicken.
Okay, what do you do on Saturday?
I do homework and do homework on Saturday.
What do you do on Monday?
I go to school on Monday.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:30.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Where is your school?
It's in the village.
How many buildings are there at your school?
There are 3 buildings at my school.
How many computer rooms are there at your school?
There is 1 computer room at my school.
What subjects do you have on Monday?
I have math and English.
Okay. What subjects do you have on Tuesday?
I have music.
What do you do at the weekend?
I study at home.
Okay. Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Okay. What can you do?
I can swim.
Me too. What can your mother do?
She can cook.
Okay. What can your father do?
He can swim and cook.
Okay. What do you have, sister or brother? What can your sister do? What can your brother do?
He can swim and do homework.
Okay. What do you do on Tuesday?
I go to school on Tuesday.
When do you have English?
I have it on Monday.
Okay. When do you have science?
I have it on Tuesday.
Okay. When is your sports day?
It's in November.
Okay. And where were you last summer?
I was in Da Nang City.
Okay, very good. That's the end. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.